I'm here for a purpose. If it's never for me to see, where could I be? Where could I be? You have to love the children. All the children have much to see. Because they don't have nowhere to live. They don't have no mother and father. Some of them abandoned. I have my mother. We are special. We are so special. It's a great opportunity to be here. It's a privilege to be here. Every day you get up, you say thank you, Jesus, for a new day and for a new life. Because when it's the morning, God will see a purpose.